Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A25 and now you want to block ads on your device, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Google settings, select it, and here just select all services. From here, you just have to look for ads. Select it, and here you will get the delete advertising ID. Just tap on it, then tap on it again, and your advertising ID will be deleted. After that, just go back and here the usage and diagnostics. Select it, and here you must have to disable the settings. In this way, you can easily block ads on your phone. But there's a second way. You just have to try. You just go back, and here's for your phone's main settings. In main settings, just look for security and privacy. From here, just look down and here's the more privacy settings. And here you will easily get the both two settings which we have just disabled. Just open ads and here just select delete advertising ID which we have just deleted. After that, just go back and here the usage and diagnostics. Just disable the settings. In this way, you can easily block pop-up ads on your device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.